Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a gift message blog in your Shopify store using the checkout templates. So I'm using checkout actions in Ninja app. This is available from the Shopify app store. I'll be attaching the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out. So after installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and go to the blog section and click on create new blog. Now there will be some default templates. So we are looking for the gift message one. So yeah, this one is the one. We can add a note to this gift one if we want. So some Shopify checkout pages uses this kind of messaging blocks to add some gift messages before purchasing or before completing the purchase. So we can use this template for that, and the default data will be filled by default, like the block name, everything will be there. And if you want any conditional visibility, we can just enable this because the block will be available whenever this condition is met. There are multiple conditions showing up in this list, so you can just go through this and add if any you want. Otherwise, keep it disabled. The block will be available always at the checkout page. And click on gift message. So everything has been done for you, like the title is gift message and the description and the button text. Everything you can just change as per your wish. Otherwise, this template will be available. So adding on the details, just click on done and make sure that the status is active and go for saving it. And after saving this, you'll be getting some block ID from here. So copy this block ID and open your checkout editor page. First thing, we have to add this block ID to the checkout page like this and paste the block ID which we have copied earlier to this area. Now you can see that the custom block has been created like this. So we can just drag this to somewhere else where it suits more. Let's go with the shipping or delivery area like this. It's here. So let's go with actually we have to uh yeah, we have to delete some blocks like this. Otherwise we cannot drag this one because at least 3 blocks can be placed at one section. So yeah, now we can just drag this to delivery area. Yeah, now let's save it. So the changes are saved. Let's test this up in our online store now. Let's try to land on the checkout page. Now you're in the delivery area, you can see that the if message block to add a note to this customer has been created successfully. And that's how you can create easily a add not gift message block to the checkout page. So what you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.